What's up guys, Stuff93 here with my unboxing of the Anker PowerPort 5. Now this device is basically a USB power hub designed to charge up to 5 devices at a time. I believe this is one of Anker's older offerings, so it does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. So if you're looking for that, or USB-C or any of those newer standards, you may want to look at some of Anker's other products, as they do have those available, but this device does not support those. So let's take a look around the box. On the front, just says Anker PowerPort 5. Rest is pretty blank. In the back, just shows some Anker stuff. And on the bottom, we've got information about their support. So let's peel the plastic off of the side of the box. So now it's got a little pull tab on the bottom. So opening the box up, so we can see on top it says, "Thanks for choosing Anker, America's #1 USB charging brand." And just some information. So lifting this tab, here we've got the actual charging hub itself. And then up here, we've got a little box. And in the bottom, we've got a welcome guide that gives some information about the device, as well as some specifications. And this looks to be just a little customer satisfaction guide. In the box here, got a few things to go with it. It appears we've got the cable. Now this is a 5-foot cable that they provide for this device, so it should be plenty long for most application. They also provided an Anker branded little Velcro tie to tie up your cables and make it a bit neater when using it. We've also got one more thing in the box, and this is an adhesive strip, so if you'd like to stick the device down to a desk or anything like that, you have that option. So now here we've got the device itself. So here it is, opening it up. So on the front here, we've got our 5 USB ports. Now it has this IQ technology, and basically what this means is this device is a 40-watt power hub, so it's 8 amps at 5 volts. So these 8 amps can be distributed across each of these based on the devices that are connected. So rather than some older hubs like this, you would have to decide which port best suited your device. This one will automatically give the proper amount of amps, up to 2.4 amps max in each port. On the rear here, we've got the cable to plug it in, and that's about it. It's pretty simple, bit of a rubbery finish, I would say. So yeah, now I'm going to hook the device up and test it out with a variety of devices connected to it. Alright, so here I have the Anker plugged in. I also got some micro USB cables from Anker as well to go along with this. This is just a 3-pack of 3-foot cables. I already opened these up earlier, but basically with these you get just the cables with the same Velcro straps that came with the device here, so you can see exact same one. So I've got some cables there. And this also came with the same little satisfaction guide as well. So I've got a few devices I'm going to plug into this, and we're going to see how well it works. So I've got a Moto G4 Plus. I've got not one, but 2 of these Amazon Fire Tabs 7 inches, I believe they are, as well as my Kamashi little battery pack. So we're going to plug all of this stuff in. So as you can see here, I've got all 4 of these devices hooked up to the Anker. Everything seems to be working properly. The Motorola, as you can see here, is charging on AC. The Kamashi battery pack is blinking because it's charging. And both of the Fire tablets as well. This one's already fully charged. And this one is charging as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Pretty simple product, but seems to work well based on usage so far. So again, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Peace out.